Rope. Let's go, let's go! Oh, you alright, man? Yeah. Keep go. Come on. Alright. That's me. Got two. Contact front! Come on, come on, come on! Line up! You in contact with someone? All right, someone give me cover! Someone give me cover! What are you doing? Take me! I'm looking to your head! Hey, is that Tim's guys up in the buildings?
There's one up on the third floor shooting down.
Dude, are we like pinned? Where are they at, dude? I don't see anybody. Oh, crap. Hey, the dude, they're right on the left.
Hey, Yellow, hold the line! Yeah.
Oh my god, they're on the right too.
Are they?
Yeah. Yellow!
So that's not friendly?
Yeah, they're right behind someone. Hey, someone on the right too.
Oh, contact in the left building.
Yeah, can you put this in my pocket?
Where at? Which one? Yeah. Sure thing, man.
Maybe.
Wait.
I don't know. Hey, can you give me that?
You're good, man. Push it on in. You'll be alright. Got him. Got him.
Watch. Yellow! Move back! We're going that way!
Got one. Hey, guys, they're on the left. Left side. There's a guy moving up. Moving up, moving up. Tag him, tag him, tag him, tag him, tag him.
They're in the storage.
Left side, hey. Guys, left side, they're moving up. There's like 2 or 3 of them right on the side. They're moving up.
Hey, Yellow, let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey, Yellow, up front, come back! Hey, Yellow, go this way. Yellow, let's move! Go!
Hey, are they on the left? On the left? I heard gunfire on the left side, man.
Yeah,
Far left.
they're holding down that position over there.
We might get hit here in a minute. Where's spawn
Yeah, we are,
at?
because we got them on the right side and the left side.
Well, let's just hold them until we die.
Oh, shit. And we got them in the middle, too.
Left, 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 left. You see anything, dude?
Yeah, they're all in the story building. And some of them to the right.
Shit, man. There's shit tons of them, man. Holy.
Get out of the way, get out of the way, minigun rolling up.
Oh, hit! Hit!
Hey, go! We have first superiority, go! Hey, keep shooting, keep shooting! Hey, keep shooting, keep shooting! We have a fire!
What's up, man? There's a lot of guys straight ahead, 12. There's like over 20 of them in the city, yeah. There's a couple guys, I got 2 or 3 over there. I killed a couple.
I'll keep it on the left.
Gotcha. And we... Alright, we're good. Keep pausing in a second real quick. Yep. Yeah, anything over there is enemy. Any guy you see, that is not ours. Changing mag.
Covering. We got yellows moving up from behind there.
I don't know, man.
Keeping city close is one of ours.
Alright, we're good. We're making sure the mag's fed. Alright. Hey, guys on the right side of this barricade. This mag is not doing it.
Shit.
What? What?
Gun's hit.
Gun hit?
The mini gun got hit.
Mag is not cutting it.
Make me a hole so I can run. I know. Hey, move out of the way. Watch out, left over here.
Is there any opening up ahead?
Huh?
Is there any open cover up ahead?
Maybe. I don't know. You can lean up real quick. If you really want to. How far away is respawn?
About that far, but we got a medic somewhere.